Leyton99. This is my channel. As you can see, it is really wet out here. A little storm went in the morning. Today we're doing a review on the cars. See you then. Today we'll be reviewing a McLaren 570S. These are the air vents on the McLaren. They're pretty big, are they? They keep the radiator cool. The exhaust pipes are even bigger than the Jeep. The engine, you can see in there, it's a pretty big engine, isn't it? And there's the engine. Comment down below if you like the McLaren. The front splitter on this is really large and sucks the car to the ground when turning. The brakes on this are really large and they are for to stop the car when it's going too fast. And they're the same color, they're a little bit as the same color on the McLaren. I noticed that there was carbon fiber on the mirrors, you see, and there's even carbon fiber here where the air vents are. On this side is more carbon fiber, just here and here. That's carbon fiber, really expensive. Now we're going to open and see what is inside. Let me just open it. Just pause the film right there for a second. We need to talk about how ridiculous these McLaren doors are. They go up. I've never seen it go up before. It's just not like a normal car. This is what it looks like inside. Comfortable and there's stitches everywhere. You can see the McLaren on the dashboard. Smells nice in here. There's no other seats in the back. This is really cool. And there's even orange here on the seats, on the steering wheel, on the seat belts, and even on the stitching and here. Another fact about the McLaren, it has a V8 engine to make it go really fast. Did you know that they go 328 kilometers per hour? That is almost faster than you got. Can you see the start and stop engine button just there? Right there. Shall we start it up? Now we're going to start it up. Goodness, that's so cool. Did you hear the sound of it? How cool is that? It sounded so cool. I feel like smiling. And did you like the inside too? It was really cool. Well, make sure to like and subscribe and comment the video, and we'll see you next time. See you later.